Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey, Jemmye, how's your morning going?
Pretty good, Elon. I just had my coffee and I'm feeling awake now. How about you?
Same here. I had some green tea today instead of coffee. I'm trying to be healthy.
Oh, that's new. You love coffee. What happened?
Yeah, I do. But I've been reading about how green tea helps your brain, makes you feel more focused.
Ah, nice. You're training your brain already. That's perfect for today's topic.
Yeah, speaking of that, today we're talking about how to train your brain to think in English.
Exactly. And before we start, friends, don't forget, you can download the free PDF of this episode in the description below.
Right. You'll get the full script, vocabulary list, and practice questions to help you speak and think in English naturally.
Okay, let's begin. Smiling, Elon, when you were learning another language, did you ever try to think in that language?
Good question. Yeah, when I learned Spanish in school, my teacher always said, don't translate in your head, think in Spanish.
Yes, I remember hearing that too, but I never really understood how to do it at first.
Same here. I used to translate every single word. I'd think, okay, what's this in English? What's that in Spanish? And it made my brain so tired.
Oh, yes, that happens to everyone. I think every English learner feels that way at the beginning.
Yeah, but over time, I realized it's not about knowing all the words. It's about using small words naturally, little by little, without translating.
Exactly. That's the secret. Start small.
Like, when you look at something simple, say it in English in your head. For example, I see a cup, or I'm walking, or it's raining.
Yes, that's such a great way to start. When you think like that, your brain starts to build English connections.
Right. You start feeling the language instead of translating it.
I love that. Feeling the language.
You know what helped me the most? Thinking in English during my morning routine.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
When I wake up, I try to describe what I'm doing in English. Like, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm washing my face. I'm making breakfast.
That's perfect. You're training your brain while doing normal things.
Yeah, I do it quietly, in my head, not out loud, unless I'm alone.
Yeah. Or people might think you're talking to yourself.
Exactly. But it works. After a few weeks, my brain started to understand those phrases faster.
That's so good. I always tell my students, use English in small, real-life moments. You don't need to study for hours. Just practice thinking in short sentences.
Like when you cook, think, I cut the vegetables. When you walk, think, I'm going to the store.
Yes, that's real English. That's how kids learn too, by connecting words with actions.
Do you know another cool trick?
What's that?
I changed my phone language to English.
Oh, yes, that's such a good idea.
Yeah, at first it was a little hard. I didn't know where some buttons were.
Yeah, I remember that feeling. When I changed my phone to Spanish, I got lost in my settings.
But after a few days, you start learning naturally. You see words like settings, messages, update, battery.
Exactly. You're learning English every time you touch your phone, without even studying.
Right. And I also follow English pages on social media, like travel pages or funny English quotes.
Oh, that's great. So you see English every day, and your brain gets used to it.
Yeah, It's like making your brain live in English.
Exactly. That's what we want, to live in English, not just study it.
You know, this might sound strange, but sometimes I talk to myself in English.
Oh, I do that too, Elon. You're not weird. Smiling, that's actually one of the best ways to practice.
Yeah, like when I'm driving, I describe what I see, like the traffic is slow, or that car is red.
Right. You're training your brain to describe things automatically.
Exactly. And no one can hear me, so it's perfect.
I do that when I cook or clean. I say things like, now I wash the dishes, or this smells good.
That's such a fun and easy habit.
Yeah. And over time, your brain starts thinking those sentences automatically without you trying.
Okay, Jemmye, let's talk about the big one. How to stop translating.
Oh, yes. The big challenge.
I think translation feels safe. It's how we first learn. But it also makes your brain slow.
Exactly. You can't speak fast or naturally if you're translating every word.
Right. So, what's the solution?
I tell my students, think in pictures, not in words.
That's smart. What do you mean?
Like, if you hear apple, don't think of the word in your native language. Think of the fruit itself.
Oh, yes. You see the red apple in your mind.
Yes, that's how babies learn. They don't translate, they just connect sound to image.
Wow, that's powerful. So thinking in English is really just seeing and feeling in English.
Exactly.
What about reading and listening? How can that help people think in English?
Oh, so much. Reading simple stories or listening to podcasts like this one helps your brain hear natural English.
Yes, and when you listen, try not to translate. Just understand the idea.
Right. Even if you don't know every word, try to guess the meaning from the situation.
Yeah, that's how your brain gets stronger, like a muscle.
Exactly. Your English brain muscle.
Time to work out, everyone.
Yes. English gym time.
Can I tell you a quick story?
Of course.
I was in London a few years ago, and I realized something crazy. I was thinking in English without trying.
Oh, really? That must have felt amazing.
Yeah, I was ordering food, asking for directions, and it just happened naturally.
That's such a great moment. It shows how practice really works.
Yeah, all those small daily habits, they train your brain slowly.
Exactly. It's not magic. It's just practice every day.
And the best part? You don't need to be perfect. Just keep talking and thinking.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid to make them.
Okay, let's share some simple tips for everyone listening.
Great idea.
My first tip is start with 5 minutes a day. Just 5 minutes of thinking in English, maybe in the morning or before bed.
That's perfect. My tip is name things around you. Every time you look at something, say it in English. Chair, window, sky.
Yeah, that helps so much.
And listen to English songs or podcasts while walking or cleaning. Your brain keeps learning even if you don't notice.
Yes, your brain is always listening.
Like a sponge, it soaks up English.
You know, Jemmye, learning English can feel slow sometimes.
Yes, it can, but that's okay. Every little step is progress.
Exactly. Thinking in English is not about being fast. It's about being natural.
Right. Just enjoy the process. Don't stress too much.
And one day, you'll realize you're not translating anymore. You're just speaking.
That's such a beautiful feeling.
Yeah. Like your brain finally switches to English mode.
Yes, English mode on.
So, friends, remember, to train your brain to think in English, you don't need to study for hours.
Just practice small moments every day.
Describe your world. Talk to yourself. Listen to English. Read. Live the language.
And don't forget, you can download today's free PDF script in the description below.
It includes new vocabulary, listening questions, and practice exercises to help your English brain grow stronger.
We believe in you. Keep going, one word at a time.
Thanks for joining us, everyone.
See you next time for another fun and easy English conversation.
Bye for now, and remember, think in English.